Hi, I'm Catherine Gotchitung. This is my life. Well, all you see here is my room. You'll see more as the series expand. And you'll meet more characters. Well, here's how it began. My life is. Right now, I live on Paw Street. It's big, but it's big but small. Well, that's what most people call it. Even though it's tiny, it does have a lot of stuff in it, and there's a lot of buildings and houses. Its population is about 800 pets. My next door neighbors are equally annoying. Both of them. On the right, you've got the jumpers. Not jumpers, jumpers. Yeah. Weird family, strange, always speaking weird accents, and on the right you've got the jitters. Equally annoying. And most people just call them the jitters because, well, it's pretty hard to pronounce the real last name, which is Jitos. Which now that I think about it, super weird. Which one of them is weirder? I don't know. And well, to tell you more about myself, I meant, I mainly like the color pink the best. And, well, I usually get A+ during every class I take. And, well, I'm in 6th grade. And I take English, science, Spanish, and math. That's about it. Well, actually, I also take art class, but that's about it. I'm age 11, and well, I'm gonna be turning 12 on June 30th, to be exact. And, well, see ya. And, well, happy summer break to all of you. And don't forget to click the like button, and if you don't like pink, then I will know who pushed the dislike button. Those who do not like pink. Those.